Hey there is again a very important concept known as constructor when it comes to object-oriented programming, which we must know before we proceed further. Now, how to define a constructor in a Codeigniter controller, which is very straightforward. In fact, in constructor, we need to give the name to this method as underscore underscore construct. This particular is a underscore underscore, and the name of the method needs to be construct. And as soon as we give this name to the special method, this becomes the constructor. If I cut this constructor and paste it after a particular method and try to execute, even then it won't make any change. But by convention, it is always recommended to place the constructor right as the first method into your controller. Alright. Second very important thing is the global variable. In this constructor, the variable msg, or the short form for message, is a global variable which is defined just inside class. Alright, so in this particular constructor, there is a method message, there is a different method message underscore again, and in both this method I am simply echoing the global variable message. And the way how I would print the variable message is using the instance this, and as soon as I echo this, then arrow, then message, I would be accessing the global variable message. Now friends, as it is a global message, how to initialize this global message? This global message could be accessed in any of the method. For example, in here I have accessed it using message, and I also accessed it using message again, right? So the best place to initialize this message is the constructor. Why constructor? Because the special property of constructor is that whenever we would be calling any of the method in the particular controller, then first the constructor method would be called, later the original method would be called. So if what I am saying is correct, then if I call message, the text on the web page needs to be Codeigniter is simple. If I again call the method message again, then also the same message need to get displayed. In here I am reaching the method and the message is right in front of us, which is Codeigniter is simple. And if I change the URL as message again as the method name, the output doesn't change. Means the program is executing perfectly. Alright. In next lecture, we will deal with parameters of these methods, how to receive value from URL directly, or passing or receiving value from methods inside the controller. I hope I have made myself clear in this particular lecture.